Dear PHP lovers, welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we will talk about PHP if-else condition. So for doing this, I have already created a file if-else.php in my project folder. Now we will start to learn if-else condition in PHP. So for using a if condition, first of all we take a variable something like temperature, and put a value in it like 20, and we make a if condition like if the temperature is lower than 20, then it will show a message that it's cold, and if the temperature is higher or equal 20 degree, then it will show suitable weather. So for doing this, we will use the PHP if statement, if, and here we will use the parenthesis, and in this parenthesis we will put our condition. So type $temperature, that's mean our temperature variable, which contains the number value 20, and first of all we try if the value is less than 20, then it will show a message that is it's cold. And here we use the curly braces for making the block of the if statement. So save the file and run the code. Let's see what happened. My Apache server is already started, so I refresh the page. Oops, it's showing nothing. Oh yes, it's showing nothing because of the temperature is not less than 20. So now try if the temperature is greater or equal to 28 degree, then we will show a message it's a suitable weather. So greater, if the temperature is greater or equal to 20, then we will show a message the weather is suitable. Now run the code. Let's see what happened. See, now it's showing the message because the condition is true now and the previous condition wasn't true. So now we learn else statement. That's mean if the if statement is false, then PHP will enter the else statement. So let's make it. Here we create the if statement with the condition if the temperature is greater or equal to 20, and here we make the else statement and make the block. Now here we make a message the weather is cold. So let's see now what happened. Our temperature variable contains 20 degree, and for this value the condition of the if statement is true. So this message will be shown here for the value of 20. Let's see what happened. Save the file, refresh the page. See, the message is the weather is suitable. So let's make the temperature is 15 now, and let's see what happened. Refresh the page. Now see, the weather is cold. Now we will learn else if statement. Here we will use another statement to do it, else if. And in the else if statement we must use a condition. Make the block. And here we will use another condition. If the temperature is less than 0, then we will show a message. The weather is extremely cold. So according to this value, the first condition, that's mean the condition of the if statement is false. Then come here. Here we can see that the condition of the else if statement is also false. So it will comes in else and show this message, the weather is cold. Let's see what happened. Run the code. Oh, sorry, here is a syntactical error. Unexpected braces on line number 8. So let's check line number 8. Oh, we forgot to put the semicolon here. Now let's run the code. See, the else statement is successfully run here. Now let's make the temperature -2. Let's see what happened. According to this code, the else if condition should be true here for this value -2. Let's see what happened. See, the weather is extremely cold. That's mean here the else if condition is true. Now let's make it 23. Let's see what happened. Again, according to this code, the if statement should be true for the value 23. Let's see what happened. See, the weather is suitable. So that's it. So this is the process of PHP if else statement. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any query regarding this tutorial, please comment and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.